Welcome to Istanbul, the city where Europe meets Asia, history dances with modernity, and golden sunsets paint the skyline in breathtaking hues. From the shores of the Bosphorus to the heart of the old city, Istanbul stretches like a living tapestry, its streets humming with life, its skyline crowned with domes and minarets. Here, the call to prayer echoes across centuries-old mosques, architectural marvels like the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia, symbols of faith and resilience towering proudly above the city. The Bosporus Strait, a natural boundary between Europe and Asia, flows like a silver ribbon, uniting two worlds. Spanning this waterway are Istanbul's iconic bridges, glowing in the soft embrace of golden hour. On these waters, ferries and ships glide gracefully, carrying stories, hopes, and the heartbeat of a city that never stops moving. As dusk settles, Istanbul transforms. Highways light up, headlights trace rivers of motion, and the city hums with energy, a symphony of modern life. Amid the glow of modern lights, echoes of the past remain. Ancient fortresses, religious symbols, and proud flags remind us of Istanbul's eternal spirit. Night falls, and the city glows like a jewel, vibrant, alive, eternal. This is Istanbul, a city that never sleeps, where every light tells a story. From sunrise to moonlight, Istanbul remains the bridge between worlds, where past and future embrace across two continents. Thank you for flying with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking journeys.